Why does my eye keep twitching? Ever felt that irritating eye twitch when you're rushing to finish an assignment or binge-watching a Netflix series? That sudden, jumpy feeling in your eyelid can be super distracting. Don't worry, you're not alone. Eye twitching, known as myokymia, is common, and in most cases, it's harmless. But why does it happen? Eye twitches occur when your eyelid muscles start firing off involuntarily. It's your body's way of hinting, hey, something isn't right here. So let's dig deeper into the causes and what you can do to stop it. Eye twitching can sneak up on you for several reasons, and students often check all the boxes. Let's look at the top culprits. Stress is a major trigger for eye twitching. Whether you're nervous about exams, overloaded with assignments, or juggling part-time work, overthinking can make your eyelids jittery. Your body targets small muscles, like those in your eyelid when it's under pressure. Chill vibes, anyone? Pulling all-nighters to cram for exams might seem productive, but they're brutal on your body, especially your eyes. Lack of sleep doesn't just leave you yawning in class. It throws off your nervous system, leading to that frustrating twitch. Rested brains. Happy eyes. Can't function without that extra large iced coffee or endless energy drinks during study sessions? Too much caffeine can overstimulate your nervous system, making your muscles, like those in your eyelid, freak out. Moderation is key, trust us. Endless scrolling, gaming, or coding. Your eyeballs are begging for a break. Spending hours staring at screens leads to eye strain, dryness, and, you guessed it, eye twitching. It's time to give your devices and eyes some downtime. Turns out your diet could also be the culprit. A lack of magnesium or other essential vitamins can make your muscles more prone to twitching. Ramen noodles are great, but adding leafy greens or nuts to your snacks could work wonders for your eyes. Ready to squash that annoying eyelid tremble? Follow these practical tips to calm those tired muscles. Relaxation is your best friend. Take a few deep breaths, do some light stretching, or meditate for 5 minutes. Even a quick break from your books can work wonders for both your stress and twitching. Remember, maintaining a healthy mindset is just as important as academic achievements. No more all-nighters. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to reset your system. Struggling to sleep? Try winding down with a book, limiting screen time before bed, or sipping on caffeine-free herbal tea. Your eyelids will thank you in the morning. It's tough, we know, but reducing caffeine can help. Switch to decaf or hydrate with water throughout the day. Your brain might not feel the buzz, but your eyes will stay calm and steady during those long study hours. The 20-20-20 rule is a lifesaver for students. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It'll reduce eye strain and dryness, giving your eyelids a break from Twitch City. Maybe even try studying the old-school way, using actual books. Wild idea, right? Load up on magnesium-rich foods like bananas, almonds, or spinach. It's a simple step to help keep those eyelid muscles healthy and relaxed. A more balanced diet will help you focus better too, giving you an academic edge along with calmer eyes. Most twitches disappear on their own, but you should see a doctor if it persists for weeks, affects other parts of your face, or interferes with daily tasks. Rare conditions like hemifacial spasm or neurological issues might need medical attention. Don't panic, just stay alert and informed. Let's lighten the mood with some quirky facts. Did you know some cultures believe eye twitching is a sign of good luck or bad luck, depending on the eye? Or that certain animals, like frogs, also twitch their eyelids to protect their eyes? Now you've got a fun fact to share. So, the next time your eyelid starts doing a little dance, you'll know exactly what's going on and how to fix it. Remember, managing stress, getting your beauty sleep, staying hydrated, and balancing your nutrition are game changers. Your eyes work hard. Treat them right. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more quick and easy explanations on life's everyday mysteries. Got a question? Drop it in the comments, and it might just be our next topic. See you in the next video, superstars.